Hey everyone, in this video, I will show you how to use frames in Canva mobile app. Now, if you find this video helpful, a like and subscribe would mean a lot. Alright, let's dive in. Now, first of all, just go on the bottom and click on Elements and type here on the search bar frames. Click on See Alls. As you can see, there are different type of frames. Select whatever you want. I'm going to select this one. You can put any picture in the frame if you want. So you just go on the upload and upload the image over here like this, as you can see. That's how you can use frames in Canva mobile. There are also different type of frames like a desktop, mobile, rectangle, circle, and photos. You can choose whatever you want. And you can do experiment on your own. So that's it for the video. Thanks for watching.